Happy Saturday, grade fours. I'm close to the Mill Creek Ravine again today. I'm kind of up top, but I'm by this super beautiful tree that is starting to show signs of spring. I think you can see in the background these little soft, I think I told you this before, I call them pussy willows. They feel like soft fur, but these trees are just starting to get ready for spring. I'm pretty sure these trees are called trembling aspens. Once they get their leaves, I'll be able to tell for sure, but I'm nearly positive. And one cool thing about them is the bark of these trees actually is a bit greenish colored, and it's greenish because it has chlorophyll, which is something I'll tell you more about when we're learning about our plant unit in science. I'm just going to zoom in a little on the bark so you can see the greenish color. Chlorophyll is what makes leaves and the green part of plants green, and it's one of the chemicals in a plant that it needs in order to make food for itself. Plants are producers, and producers make their own food using sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. They need chlorophyll for sure. But they can take the energy from the sun and convert it into a kind of sugar. And then the herbivores and the omnivores eat the plants, and then the omnivores or the carnivores eat the animals that eat the plants. And then when any of them die, the decomposers come along and break down all that waste in nature, put the nutrients back into the soil, and then the plants get to grow again and have nutrients to grow big and beautiful. I'm up on top of the Mill Creek Ravine today. This is a big field. There's been a few people going by on cross-country skis. Everyone's doing a great job of physical distancing, keeping apart from each other. Today I have my whole family with me. Mike came too. It's beautiful and sunny, a little warmer than it was earlier this week. We're just walking along, little virtual nature walk. These trees are so cool. I have to show you. Hi. I still haven't looked up what the scientific name is for this part when these start popping out of the tree. I can't wait for the leaves to start growing. Little virtual nature walk for you. I know some of you aren't able to get outside these days, so I'm bringing a little outside, a little bit of nature here for you. I'll see if I find anything else amazing that I can show you. Sometimes when I come out into the forest, what I really love to do is just stop for a moment and be super silent. Sometimes I hear things when I'm being silent like that otherwise I wouldn't notice. I might hear the sound of earlier today actually we heard a little tiny woodpecker pecking at a tree. Sometimes I hear birds in the distance that if I'm walking along making noise with the crunching of my boots on the snow that I can't hear them. So every once in a while I just like to stop and see what my sense of hearing can hear. I hear the wind. I hear the creek down below, the water flowing. It's melted enough that there's water flowing that I can hear. I can hear my family. They're playing on a little hill over there. I hear some birds too. I wonder what kind of birds they are. I think I'm hearing them up that way. All right, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you all on Monday morning on our Google Meet. Bye for now.